Hey seniors, I'm Greg Varner. I'm one of the faculty members who will be working with you all as part of the Capstone experience this year. And just want to let you know that we're really excited to watch and work with and learn from you guys as you step into this experience that ideally is the culminating activity for all that you've done in high school. There should be something that really interests you, some topic you'd like to study, some social justice issue that you find important, some realm of creativity that you'd like to engage, or some academic area that you want to pursue even further. And the Capstone experience gives you the opportunity to do that. In essence, the Capstone experience is based upon four coordinates. The first is research. And of course, there's always that value to doing traditional research, to getting into scholarly journals and figure out what it is that other people are saying about your topic. What's the already existing conversation? The more you know about that, the more you can find your way to enter that conversation. And of course, research is not just limited to looking in databases, but sometimes research involves taking your questions into real context. And that can inform sort of the second stage of what the Capstone experience is, which is developing your product, figuring out some way that you're going to apply what you're learning to a real world setting. It might make sense to think of this as sort of application, like you're learning something and now you're going to apply the questions that you've gained or the information that you're studying into a real world experience. For some of you, it makes sense to think about that as almost like a field research experience, because you genuinely are taking what you're learning and then putting it into a context where you can learn it better. You can find out places where your ideas work. You can find counter theories and so forth. When you think about the product step of Capstone, be thinking about ways that you can serve and ways that you can lead. How can you put yourself in a context and do more than just, for example, just showing up and sitting in a room, or just doing a fundraiser or something that doesn't really engage you with continuing research through hands-on experience. The Capstone experience ends with a presentation that you'll be giving publicly that allows you to demonstrate your expertise. In essence, if there was an ongoing conversation about your topic before you started, this is your place to say, all right, I'm ready to jump into that conversation. I now have learned enough that I want to also add my voice to that conversation. And across all three of those steps, you'll be working on what is called the portfolio, which basically documents your process, documents questions that arise, documents things that you're learning, and it's sort of the place to pull all of the information together, which ideally allows you to see how different kinds of research, different kinds of experiences, and the challenge to present yourself well to others speak to each other. So, bottom line is this: we're excited to work with you. We hope that you're getting excited about this opportunity that's provided to you as part of your senior experience, and we will talk more and more carefully and open up some of these conversations soon. But for now, this is a quick overview of what to expect.